Alright, y'all. We're back. And you're back. And we're back with an unboxing. It's here. It came today. Oh my god. The knife creeped up on the side. He's here too. But back to the box. Yes, he came today, everyone. So we're excited. We are excited. I kind of know what it is, so I'm like excited. Okay, anyway. Hey. Almost there. Almost. Here's a quick peek. Almost there. Oh. Alright, you guys. She's here. This beautiful Kate Spade. I think it's called a Kerri. Kerri. Spade Tote. Straight from Kate Spade's warehouse that's near where I live. I didn't know that we had one that close proximity. I would have made shopping trips there, you guys. Nonetheless, you see the beautiful Kate Spade written on. And we got this gorgeous piece that hangs on the side. This was on sale for $89, you guys. I'm like, get out of town. Beautiful. Like I said, if you can tolerate some of these different colors, you can get stuff on sale. Here, let's see if I can unzip it for you so you could see the inside here. See, that zipper is real strong. Why I'm trying to do this one-handedly, guys, is beyond me. Hang on one second. Okay, we're back. I just wanted to open it up so you could see the inside, how it has the Kate Spade logo on the inside sewn in. And it also has the spades on this part, so you know that it's a genuine Kate Spade. And then you get a card with your purchase. I haven't looked at the card. It could be a discount or something like that, but I'll open it. But it's awfully cute. And like I said, you can get these monogrammed as well. I didn't realize that. And I'm assuming your monogram would either go underneath her name or in the back, which is where I probably would get mine. I am going to start calling and getting mine monogrammed, because if you don't call, they won't monogram it. So, might as well. You're purchasing it, you might as well. So, beautiful, beautiful color. Fuchsia, one of my favorite colors, because I love me some pink. Purple as well, and this is pink and purple heaven. Beautiful fuchsia Kate Spade. Just received it today, you guys. Never mind my tablecloth. But I wanted to make sure that you guys got a chance to see this. So, remember, we bougie on a budget, y'all. So, hey, we doing it. Peace out.